Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change your Zoom background. So this is the current background that I have now, and to change it you're just going to go to the video here, go to adjust background and effects, and here's where you can change the background of your videos. You can then add in more of your own videos or photos as well here. But yeah, that is it. Super simple. You can also enable the I have a green screen button. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.